All right. I think I got everything. Except they were out of hot Cheetos.
That was the one thing I asked for.
Well, don't look at me, okay? I'm not the asshole who bought out all the hot Cheetos at Sinclair.
Well, did you at least get regular Cheetos?
I got puffs.
Of course you did.
Next time, you risk your ass getting us dinner.
Dinner? I'd hardly call Cheetos dinner, and I think you're forgetting this morning when I went out and got us an actual meal.
Drink your beer and shut up, Gordon Ramsay.
Not bad. So did anyone see you?
Oh, yeah. 5 cameras. I went in front of each of them, and I was like, hi, I'm Chloe. I'm the, criminal you're looking for, and my accomplice / dumbass bandmate Lizzie. She's in the motel up the road if you want to come follow me. Please, I know how to buy Cheetos and Twinkies without being seen.
You know, Cheetos and Twinkies would be a sick album name.
You sure this is them? I mean, they're arguing about Cheetos.
This ain't no game, dog. Those bitches stole my shit and almost got me killed. I need my retribution, The hell am I paying for?
Yo, Peeping Tom. Wanna give it a rest? Be our guard dog, you know. Come, join me in this glorious feast. We have Cheetos and Twinkies.
How can you be so chill about all of this? We're criminals. Not just that, there's some really bad guys after us. And you're sitting there all relaxed, like we're glamping?
Well, if we were glamping, we would not have to sleep in these sheets, because I'm pretty sure I've seen like 10 bugs in that bed.
Oh.
Look, just because I'm not crawling out of my skin doesn't mean I'm not worried he'll find us.
Oh, God, don't say that.
Chloe, would you stop freaking? I mean, look, I think you're giving him way too much credit. It's been a month, and the guy did leave 15 grand in the back of an Uber. Hey, I don't think he's gonna find us anytime soon.
Yeah, but what if he does? What then? Because I don't know about you, but I'm getting real tired of this living on the run thing.
Okay, you're telling me you're not into this, not even a little bit. Think about it, we're driving from city to city, laying our heads wherever they lie. It's like being on tour.
Being on the run is not the same as being on tour, because when you're on tour, you actually want to be seen. When you're on the run, you're hiding from everything and everyone, and you're living like the fucking Unabomber.
Well, first of all, the Unabomber was in a cabin in the woods, and we are here in this swanky establishment.
I think this place is more dank than swank. Don't get me wrong, I love the burglar window in the bathroom, because nothing says, hey, you're safe, quite like a barless window.
I'm just looking on the bright side. We've got 2 beds, Sinclair's finest after-hour cuisine. All right, Bill Maher's on HBO.
Yeah, and an 8 Mile wannabe wants us dead.
Look, the door's locked, okay? No one's hate fucking next door. Nothing weird going on. There's nothing to worry about. What, this isn't your dream anymore? The excitement of playing in front of strangers, going from town to town, the thrill of travel. It's a life of adventure and indulgence.
You call it Cheeto stuffed Twinkie indulgence?
Fuck yeah, I do. In fact, I'm gonna indulge in another.
Look, I know what you're saying, but I don't want to tour like this. The dive bar stuff was fun when I was 18, but I can't do it. I want to stay in real hotels. I want to stay in cities that people have heard of and play for thousands of people, huge stadiums. I want to make the fucking ground shake. Like corn at Woodstock 99.
Yes, like the Chili Peppers. Oh man, they fucking killed it at Woodstock. The stage was literally on fire at that show. Well, We want to make it big like that. You know what they say. What the fuck?
What the fuck? That's not a saying. People don't say, well, you know.
There's this guy, this creepy guy out there.
Okay, okay, haha.
I'm not kidding, Chloe. There's like this dude wearing a chauffeur's cap or something, and he's coming straight at us.
What?
We gotta go.
Fuck.
Okay, go.
Woo! There's no way that you do not love this.
Yeah, all right.
Where are we going next? Your mom's house.